How to change Instagram notification sound. So if you want to change your Instagram notification sound, then first of all open up your Instagram application, and then you can go for the bottom right corner which has that profile icon, and go for the upper right corner which has that three barred icon, and go for settings and privacy. And here you will have an option of notifications. Simply tap on that notifications, and here if you want to pause your notifications, then you can pause it from here, or you can go for post stories and comments, and from here you can turn that off, or you can do all of these settings of your photos, or you can simply scroll all the way down and go for additional options in system settings. You can choose any one of that option. So I'll go for Instagram direct. Simply tap on that, and here you will have advanced settings. Go for advanced, and under advanced you will have sound option. Tap on sound, and from here you can change your Instagram notification sound. So you can choose any sound that you would like, and then you can tap on OK, which is on the bottom right. And that's it. That's how you change your Instagram notification sound. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.